So today we are going to start with the answer rural advertisements. Okay, as we know, rural India are still facing the problem to accept the reality of the advertisement. See, for urban cities, it is very easy to make people understand about the advertisings and to convince the people or to influence the people. We can say that, but in rural advertisements, in rural areas, still it is difficult for the people to accept the fact of the advertisements which is been showing or which they see across. Okay, because there majority of the people are not literate, and when we say that people are not literate, that time it makes difference and it is difficult to understand them. ऐसा बोलते हैं कि illiterates को समझाना easy होता है, but no, illiterates को समझाना और difficult होता है literates के comparison में. Okay, so that we will have to see that what type of goods we are advertising for rural market and for rural areas and what will be the acceptance for that. Okay, see, as we have seen, still in India we can see this type of rural markets, that means your weekly bazaars or monthly bazaars. Yeah. Not only in rural areas, even in urban cities, there are few places we can see such type of markets. That means these are unorganized market sector. है ना? So this type of markets we see still today in India, and people prefer to visit to these markets as well rather than going for each and every stuffs to the big malls. People love to visit these markets, rural markets or the small unorganized markets, isn't it? So advertisements here again becomes a challenge for unorganized sector, for unorganized market. It becomes a challenge. Okay. See, if I say online vegetables or online fish or online non-veg, so still the people, still your mother will say, no, we don't want online. I will go to the market and I will see to it and then I will bring it, isn't it? That means people still do not believe in online shopping in India, especially when the things comes for the food. Ladies prefer to visit to the market and be satisfied what they are bringing at home. So this is the reason why the rural market is also having a difficulty to sell the goods and to advertise properly. And now here, just to know that, what is the definition of a rural area? See, rural area according to the Reserve Bank of India is with a population of 10,000. Okay, that means overall उस area का population कितना होना चाहिए? Only 10,000. Then that area will be considered as a rural area. Whereas from 10,000 to 1 lakh, it will be semi-urban area. And above and 1 lakh population, all those sectors come under urban areas. So if you say that Shivaji Nagar is a rural area, then my answer will be no. Shivaji Nagar is not an rural area. Okay, हम उसे रूरल दिखाते हैं, हम उसे पुअर दिखाते हैं, या फिर जो भी है इकोनॉमिकली बैकवर्ड एरियाज दिखाते हैं. बट by Reserve Bank of India, by the definition given by the Reserve Bank of India, that is not an rural area, it is an urban area because the population is more than 1 lakh. Okay, now who gave the fund to this? Basically the fund for the rural areas comes from NABARD, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. So these banks will be providing fund to develop the rural area, to develop the market as well. Now, when we go to the rural area, what we will be doing? We will be following this 4A approach. Now, what is this 4A approach? First is your affordability, then awareness, then availability, and then acceptability. That means whenever you are going to advertise in rural areas, first thing you are supposed to see whether that product is affordable by the people of the rural areas or not. है ना? हम अर्बन सिटीज की तरह लग्जरीज या ड्यूरेबल गुड्स या ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव गुड्स वहां पर प्रमोट नहीं कर सकते. So first thing what we will be seeing it, we will be seeing that whether the particular product is affordable by that people or not. Then we will give the awareness about the product, about the market, about the brand, about the company, everything. Yesterday we have seen one good example of Khushio Doli, how the RIN has promoted the goods. So that is what is the awareness. Then availability. Another important factor is availability, whether you will be able to reach to that particular area, whether you will be able to avail the goods to that particular area, because some areas are inside, that means to the remote areas. Okay, still no transportation facilities available there. So how you will be availing the goods over there? That's also a big question. Then acceptability, whether your goods, whatever you are promoting over there, whether it is acceptable by the people or not, whether it is acceptable by the rural area people or not. So these four a approach you are supposed to consider while you are advertising in rural areas. Okay, affordability, awareness, availability, and acceptability. Then we will move ahead after doing the research of 4A approach. See, now we will see what are the difficulties that the rural areas people face or the advertiser face to promote in rural areas. What are the difficulties for them or what are the challenges for them to advertise in rural areas? Number one is our tradition. Isn't it? Life in rural areas are much different from what is the life in our urban cities. Because still the rural areas, that means the village of India, they follow the customs, they follow the traditions. Okay, for example, their own dresses, their own food, they will not change for you. अगर आप अपने विलेज में जाओगे तो वो आपके लिए अपना खाना चेंज करते हैं क्या? नहीं, इनफैक्ट हम जो उनका खाना खाते हैं. If you have seen your mothers, then your mothers will be wearing accordingly how they wear in villages, not how they wear over here, isn't it? तो जैसे हम लोग यहाँ वेयर करते हैं वैसा नहीं करते, हम वहां जाके चेंज करते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रेडिशन हम लोग भी चेंज हो जाते हैं. So this is the challenge, because what happens that the mind is set for a particular product, for a particular food, for a particular culture, and then changing it, it is very difficult. As I said you, if you are from a very remote area, if you are living in a very small area, small rural area, you go and wear jeans over there. It's not that the rural areas are not developed. There are many villages I have seen personally. They are far developed than the cities. But still the places there are some places they will not accept wearing your jeans, wearing your fashionable clothes, wearing your branded shoes or anything. Okay. So this tradition stops people to purchase some goods. Okay. So they will not focus over there. If a farmer, you will say to buy a LED of 100 inches, that farmer will not buy. Why? Because they cannot afford. Second part, their mentality will not go there. We don't need it. हम अपना वो पुराना टीवी में ही ठीक है ना? So this is a very big challenge for us when we, especially in India, when we talk about tradition. Because see, as I said, we cannot touch anyone's sentiments, traditions, religions, anything. We cannot just disturb that, and then we are supposed to sell the goods. So it is a very big challenge for the advertiser and the ad agency. Okay. Next is seasonal goods. In villages, mostly people believe in seasonal goods. For rural, for urban cities, it is not just that ki we have seasonal goods, we don't have seasonal goods. हम कौन सा खाते हैं? We have preserved foods, mostly whatever we are having preserved foods, है ना? आपको यहाँ पर ऑल सीजन टोमेटोज मिल जाएगा, आपको बॉम्बे में ऑल सीजन सारे फ्रूट्स मिलेंगे, अभी तो मैंगो भी मिलता है ऑल सीजन, है ना? सो ये सारे क्या है, व्हाट वी आर कंज्यूमिंग, वी आर हैविंग द प्रिजर्व वंस, जिसको प्रिजर्व करके रखा रहता है। बट विलेजेस में वैसा नहीं है, रूरल एरियाज में, रूरल इंडिया में we are having, they prefer only seasonal goods, vegetables हो गया, fruits हो गया, they like to prefer fresh and seasonal goods, but here we don't. So again वहां पर explain करना, they will not accept. Okay, they will not accept. Why? Because they are habituated to that. Mango means, they means mango means okay, rainy season में ही mango खाना है, other seasons में नहीं consume करना है. Okay, जैसे लीफी वेजिटेबल्स है, दे नो कि विंटर सीजन में ही अच्छे होते हैं, समर्स में अच्छे नहीं होते, समर्स में वो प्रेफर भी नहीं करते ज्यादा खाना, whereas हम ऑल सीजन खाते हैं, isn't it? और अपने आप को बोलते हैं हम फ्रेश लीफी वेजिटेबल्स खा रहे हैं, फ्रेश तो हम पहली बात कुछ खाते ही नहीं है. So again, advertising for the goods which does not suit to their climate, which does not suit to their surrounding, they will not have it, they will not purchase it. So again, it is a challenge for the advertiser. Second is your language barrier, because India is having more than 36,000 languages. So for a salesperson, it is a very big challenge. आप वेस्ट का नॉर्थ में सेल कर सकते हो, एटलीस्ट यू कैन कम्युनिकेट, नॉर्थ का ईस्ट भी आ सकते हो, एटलीस्ट यू कैन कम्युनिकेट, बट नॉर्थ कैन नॉट मैनेज विद द साउथ, इवन ईस्ट और वेस्ट कैन नॉट मैनेज विद द साउथ. व्हाई? बिकॉज साउथ लैंग्वेजेस आर टोटली डिफरेंट. एटलीस्ट हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट या नॉर्थ वेस्ट का लैंग्वेजेस कुछ तो समझ पाते हैं, बट साउथ का लैंग्वेज समझना ही बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है हमारे लिए, isn't it? So these languages again, how are you going to communicate to them? सेल्स पर्सन किस किस को समझाएगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू, नाउ यू आर इन सेकेंड ईयर, यू विल पास आउट योर थर्ड ईयर, और आपको अगर भेज दे कि ओके यू गो टू द तमिलनाडु, आपको सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव का जॉब मिला है इन HDFC बैंक, and they have asked you to join from Tamil Nadu. Will it be possible for you? No. Why? Because of the language barriers. People who are comfortable over there, they can go, but majority will not prefer to go because they don't know the language over there. So again, this is another challenge. Next is the culture, the beautiful culture of India. Culture plays a very important role in business, my dear students. Why? Because when we talk about the advertisements, or especially suppose when we talk about the clothing, so the clothing which we wear according to our culture, isn't it? हम कुछ भी नहीं पहन सकते, ना हम कुछ भी खाते हैं, क्योंकि क्यों, हमारे कल्चर में नहीं है. फ्रॉम द डे वन व्हेन यू बॉर्न, हमारे बॉर्न से लेकर हमारे डेथ तक हमें वो अपना कल्चर फॉलो करने को सिखाता है, isn't it? Each and every culture. The vegetarians will not say their kids to have non-veges. बच्चा बाद में जाके खाता है, वो उसका लुकआउट है, बट हमारे कल्चर में नहीं खाते तो नहीं खाते, isn't it? क्लोथिंग्स, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हम बॉम्बे में रहते हैं, स्पेशली महाराष्ट्र, तो महाराष्ट्रन कल्चर अलग है. इसी तरीके से महाराष्ट्र से एकदम क्लोज है गोवा, बट स्टिल वी डू नॉट फॉलो द कल्चर ऑफ गोवा. आज भी अगर आपको गोवा जाने को बोलेंगे तो फैमिली वंडर करना स्टार्ट कर देगी, गोवा क्यों जाना है? बिकॉज वी नो द कल्चर ऑफ गोवा इज ऑपोजिट टू अस. सो पीपल डोंट बिलीव. अगर आपको फ्री में भी जाने को लिए बोलेंगे तब भी पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे गोवा नहीं जाने का, किधर और जाओ, गोवा नहीं जाने का, isn't it? So why this restriction? Just because of the cultural barrier. Just because we don't prefer the culture of Goa. So see, in the same manner, the Goan products will not be accepted in other parts. If I advertise for a Fenny, if I advertise for the alcohols, that will not be accepted in each and every house because we don't follow the culture. Okay. So that will also affect for an advertiser to advertise accordingly. Next is your distribution channel. That is the most important role for products to reaching from manufacturer to the consumer, your distribution channel. So the facilities which are available to distribute, that means your transportation, your roads, all these are important. Sometimes goods comes from the freight, that means you are from air modes, sometimes road modes, and railways. So whether these facilities are available or not, because अगर distribution ही नहीं होगा, then how the product will be available. For example, when we purchase the goods from online, majority of us are purchasing है ना, from Amazon or from Flipkart, anything. So when we purchase the goods from online, so there they ask to put your PIN number, PIN locations. तो जब आप अपना पिन कोड डालते हैं, sometimes what happens, some goods they do not accept and they give us the message that we don't deliver to this address, isn't it? अभी for example चलो वो तो होगी online shopping, the basic अभी जो आपका Zomato वगैरह का ads है, when you Domino's, Zomatos, जब when you order for this from foods from Zomato or something या Domino's, again they ask you for the pin codes. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पर distribution channel नहीं है, they have not spread yet to that particular place. So that is the reason they don't provide us the services. So advertisement करके भी क्या meaning है? You will advertise, advertise and advertise. But if you're not able to reach, if you're not able to serve the product, then what is the meaning in that? So this also we will have to see. Okay. So this is what is your okay. So these are some of the strategies that will help you to promote your goods, that will help you to advertise in rural markets or in rural areas. Number one strategy is your influencer strategy. Now, what is this influencer strategy? To influence to the customers, to influence to the people to purchase the good. Now, who will influence? See, for this, we will have to catch hold the people from uh, the rural areas who are well known, for example, the Panchayat Samiti in charge or the teachers. Okay, because still in rural areas, people believe in them. कि अगर पंचायत ने बोल दिया है तो correct है, school teachers ने कह दिया है तो correct है, isn't it? So we will have to use this influencer strategy because you are new, me are also unknown face to them, so they may not believe in us, isn't it? They will not believe you, they will not believe me. Why? Because we are unknown. So whom they will believe? They will believe to the person who they know. So we will have to catch hold those persons. That is what is your influencer strategy because they will influence them. या कोई रीजनल हेड जैसे होता है ना कि किसी मौलाना को बोलो आप या किसी पंडित से बोलो. So this is what is your influencer strategy. Next is participatory strategy. Now, what is this participatory strategy? Organize some games and make them also to participate. Make people to participate in those games and then promote your goods. So that what will happen, they will also be interesting. See, when something we get free of cost, है ना? So उसका value नहीं रहता, but yes, when the things comes to use, we will definitely use it. ज़्यादा use करेंगे क्योंकि free में मिला. So we can take use of participatory strategy. Next is show and tell strategy. What you can do, you can wear some clowny clothes, or you can have some demonstrations, or you can keep some models of your product, and then you can say to the people that say what good it is. That is what is the show and tell strategy. For example, I have shown in the pictures how the kids have beautifully wear the clothes, fancy clothes. So this is what is your show and tell strategy. Yeah. Next is your product demonstration. Give them the demonstration of different products. That will help you to promote your goods.